Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Daniel and today we're gonna talk about the DJI Mavic Mini. I just bought this drone about 2 months ago, just before the release of the DJI Mavic Air 2, and I went out to get it for a spin. I really like the image quality, although it's not 4K, you have option to film 2.7K, which is enough for YouTube and other social media platforms. I just updated the firmware to the last version, and you have all the manual control, exposure, the ISO and the shutter speed, which before it wasn't. The images, again, they are 12 megapixels photos. It's not really wow, but for social media, for Instagram, for Facebook, it does work very well. And if you go with them in Lightroom, you can apply a LUT or you can edit them and they will look really good. A downside for this is the fact that the photo that you take, it's just JPEG. You are not allowed to take raw photos. So I wouldn't go too far with the edits and the color on this photo. Now for the video side, you have 1080p up to 60 frames per second, and you have 2.7K up to 30 frames per second, I believe. The reason I bought it is because it's so tiny and it's so lightweight and you can travel with it anywhere. I do have my DJI Phantom 4 Advanced, but it's a pain in the ass to carry it everywhere. Sometimes when you're on the go, you just want to get a small drone, fly it up in the air, and you just want to take that shot or that video. And for me, this DJI Mavic Mini is really great. I don't intend to do client work with it, because for that I have the DJI Phantom 4. But for the purpose for which I bought it, I'd say it's a no-brainer. So I'm just gonna show you a video which I took with this DJI Mavic Mini drone, and you can judge for yourself. Now please note that I haven't had a ND filter, so the video, it wasn't shot as it should have been. Now for the money and the things that it comes with, I'd say it's a really good value for money. Now obviously you cannot compare it to the Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic Air 2, but I'd say for what you pay, you'll get enough. Once I get the ND filters, I'm gonna shoot again some other videos and I'm gonna put an update here on the channel, so stay tuned for some more videos with this drone. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you're not already. If you are into drones and photography, I'll be posting regularly, so why not stick around? I'll see you guys next week. Salut!